but him. Bring it on down the road, Barrel's house, honey. He needs your company.
I do need it.
Well, I got a gal, she locked the towel. She sleep in the kitchen with the feet in the house. Say, bring it on down the road, Barrel's house, honey. Ain't nobody home but me. Come on, Roberto, sing it out.
Oh, bring it to my house.
We're going back to my house now. I said, won't you bring it on down to my house, honey? Ain't nobody home but me. I'll bring it on down to my house, honey. I need your company. Well, my gal Sal, she makes good pie. It tastes so good I can nearly die. I say, bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home but me. How you doing, Mark? Okay. Bring it on down to Mark's house, honey. Ain't nobody home but him. Bring it on down to Mark's house, honey. He needs your company. See if I upset your back and put your kidneys to sleep. You do the breakaway, you live until your heart to beat. I said, bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home but me. Take it. Ain't nobody home but me. Hey.
It's a special day. It's a very special day. When my friends and family and people ask me why I moved to Fayette County, my answer is very simple. It's the people. They're thoughtful, hardworking, creative, imaginative, funny characters. And of all those people, Jim and Betsy are some of the best. When they asked me the second time to marry him, well, now, let's be honest. The first time they asked me, we'd had a few drinks. And I was so humbled and drunk, I said, surely there's no way they mean this. They don't want me to marry these guys. Well, the second time they asked, a song stuck in my head. And it was one of those massive earworms, Jim. Like, not just a day or two or a week. It was months when you asked me this. I have you to thank for this infection. And so as I'm writing the sermon and I'm trying to come up with something, anything, something beautiful to say, I'd wake up in the morning and start writing in my head, but before I did that, this song would bounce around in my head. So I woke up last Thursday, and that song was in my head, and I thought, Andy, you're a dumbass. This is the sermon. How could you write better words than these? So the words that are fixing to follow are not my own. They come from the Talking Heads. Oh, I think I got this. Home is where the heart is. Pick me up and turn me around. I feel numb, born with a weak heart. I guess I must be having fun. The less we say about it, the better. We'll make it up as we go along. Our feet on the ground, our head in the sky. It's okay. I know nothing's wrong. Nothing's wrong. I've got plenty of time, and you've got light in your eyes. And you're standing here beside me. I love the passing of time. Never for money, always for love. Cover up and say goodnight. Say goodnight. Home is where I want to be, but I guess I'm already there. I come home, and she lifted up her wings. I guess that this must be the place. I can't tell one from another. Did I find you, or did you find me? There was a time before we were born. If someone asks, this is where I'll be. This is where I'll be. We drift in and out, sing into my mouth. Out of all those kinds of people, you got a face with a view. I'm just an animal, looking for a home, and share the same space for just a minute or two. And you love me till my heart stops, and you love me till I'm dead. Eyes light up, eyes look through you. You cover up my blank spots, hit me on the head, and I've got you. So everybody here knows Jim. I'm making him go last. Betsy, would you like to say a few words? Yeah?
I really want to kiss her already.
Hold it.
I offer myself to you as a partner in life. You've helped me make peace with the past and find hope for the future. I promise to bring you joy, to be at peace with your spirit, and to cherish and honor you at this moment and each moment given to us. In the presence of God and these witnesses, I give you this ring as a symbol of my pledge to you. May this marriage be a gift to the world and to our families, as your love is a gift to me. We love you, Betsy!
She just said, oh God, they're long. And Willie asked me if I wrote this on ChatGPT, and no, I did not. No, there's no way I. Betsy Hankins. I stand before you today, having traveled to the corners of the world, experiencing countless journeys and embracing the passage of time. These paths have led me to this moment, to you, the one who has brought me peace and love in these golden years of life. In the midst of these travels and adventures, I've come to understand the value of each moment, the beauty of each sunset. How many sunsets? I know. The warmth of a shared smile, yet all these moments, all those sunsets, all those smiles pale in the comparison of the love I found with you. With you I found not only a companion, but a kindred spirit who understands the depth of the world's wonders and the simplicity of life's most profound joys. You have shown me that love is not bound by age, I'm old, or distance, but transcends both, growing stronger each passing day. As I stand here, I vow to continue this journey with you, hand in hand, heart to heart. I promise to cherish the peace you've brought into my life and to nurture the love that has blossomed between us. I promise to be your unwavering support, your confidant, and your partner in all that life has yet to offer. I promise to embrace the adventures that we still have to await us, whether they take us far-flung places or lead us in quiet comfort to this greenhouse. I promise to treasure the wisdom that comes with age and to celebrate the love that knows no bounds. With you, my love, I found my true home in this world, in this tiny, silly town in Central Texas. So today I take you as my beloved, my companion, my partner in the journey of life. I look forward to the adventures that still await, the sunsets we have yet to share, and the love that will continue to grow as we travel through life together. I want to finish this, I'm Scottish and Irish, and I want to finish it with an ancient Scottish vow. I vow to you the first cut of my meat, the first sip of my wine. From this day it shall be only your name I cry out at night, and into your eyes that I smile each morning. I shall be a shield for your back as you are for mine. Nor shall a grievous word be spoken about us, for our marriage is sacred between us, and no stranger shall hear my grievance. Above and beyond this, I will cherish and honor you through this life and into the next.
Hold on, here's the fun part. Jim, do you take this beautiful woman, Betsy, to be your wife?
Oh, hell yes.
And Betsy, I know you're holding hands, but here we are. Do you take this rogue to be your husband? You do. So by the power vested in me by a very foolish authority, I now pronounce you guys husband and wife.
Michael knew that was me wishing.
So everybody, Mr. and Mrs. Jim Raines.
I'm waiting so long it seems, just waiting on my dreams. I'm racing around and between the place and the cloth, but there's nothing to see. I'm chasing a rainbow, looking for gold. Tasted a glimpse, now I'm just getting on. So come on, baby, be mine tonight. Come on, little lady, won't you come hold me tight? I've been so splintered, I've been on the floor. I wake up to policemen knocking on my door. But I'm in no hurry, time is on my side. Just waiting for my ticket, I'm waiting for my ride. When I do finally get on that train, gone to Virginia, won't see me again. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. Sometimes you rescue, sometimes you drown. I'm in no hurry, I'll take my time. Waiting around here doesn't cost me a dime. Thought you'd remember, but maybe I'm wrong. I'm waiting for you, and I'm waiting so long. I'm waiting for